Yeah. So thank you, ma'am, for the all your guidance, and specifically thank you for all the ma'am as well as the all ADIS team members for your support in the last 6 months. I have started my journey in December, sorry, June 2025, and I have followed all the guidance and support provided by EDIS team during the last 6 months, especially as advised by the EDIS team to start with the BPP study text and then followed by the technical article of EDIS team and then the live lectures of the Vijaya ma'am. 2 months before the exam, I have started practice on the CBE platform, and almost I have practiced 6 to 7 sessions, 7 exams fully, which has helped me to complete the paper on time. And with that, simultaneously, I have used the BPP pass cards as well as the keywords terminology provided by the EDIS team that helps to excel the key terminology to get the good marks. And in addition to that, I have practiced the BPP exam practice kit at least 1 month before, because with that I realized that almost 90% questions, if you practice the BPP exam, you're able to articulate the answers and reply on 90% of your papers. That will help at least to score 80 to 90% easily. That's all,
And
ma'am.
it,
Thank you.
okay, thank you very much and hearty congratulations once again to you and wish you
Thank you, ma'am.
success in all your future endeavors. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
So that was Jeet with us, who shared his success story with us. You can make out that he did not just study in the last minute, he was well prepared.